Hello friends, welcome back to Origami world. I am Sanidhya and I am 11 years old. So today I will teach you how to make a jumping frog. It is just not a frog but a toy you can play with. So you need to push it from behind and it hops very impressively. So let's get started. For this model you will need a rectangular sheet of paper. I have taken a square origami paper and I'll cut it into half. So first you need to turn it upside down, then make a crease over here. Now unfold, then turn over and cut it over here. Now you need to take the rectangular sheet and then fold it into half. Now unfold and make a crease here. Then unfold and make a crease over here. Unfold again and make these creases on the opposite sides. Over here and over here. Then unfold and turn over, make a crease over here. And make a crease over here. Now unfold and then turn over and make a base like this. This is a water bomb base. Now you need to repeat this on the opposite side. Make a fold like this and then press this down here. So your model will look like this right now. So now you need to keep your paper like this and then take this flap and make it come over here. Take the opposite flap and make it come over here. Now turn it like this and then make these two flaps come over here. And now you need to make this flap come over here and this flap come over here. Like this and then like this. Now turn upside down and make this flap come here and this flap here. Now turn over, then make a crease over here so that this flap comes to the middle like this, and on the opposite side too, like this. Now make this step come around here. Like this. You need to make sure that there is still space left over here and here. Now take these flaps out and make them come into these pockets. So take this flap and put it inside this pocket, and then take the other flap and put it in this pocket. Now you need to turn over and then make this edge come to the center like this, and then fold it half over here like this. Now your origami frog is complete. So now this doesn't look like a frog, so we can add the eyes over here and a mouth over here. So now our origami frog is complete. So it can also jump. Hope you like this video. If you face any difficulties making this model, I will soon be uploading step-by-step tutorial sheets. And please like and share my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.